how y'all doing today? I hope you guys are doing good from the last time we checked in. If you guys haven't already, make sure you like, subscribe, and comment down below what kind of videos you guys want to see. Because it's not only my channel, but it's our channel. In today's video, we're going to be doing what's on my iPhone. I don't have an iPhone 11, but I do have like the iPhone 10, and I did the iOS 4 update. This one's going to be Halloween edition because mine's set up as Halloween, so I will go ahead and screen record what's on my phone and go through the apps with you guys. Halloween, this is actually the color widget, and all I did was go in here and like look at different ones that I liked. So I picked that one. I like that it has like tells you the time. I have military time because I wanted to be a doctor when I was younger, and so in the place I worked at, yeah, everything was in military, so I was like, I should probably learn how to do military time, and so that's what I did. I have the little calendar. It's in it says 31, even though it's not the 31st. Like, I should probably stop moving around, probably gonna bug you guys. It's not the 31st, but it's like 31, like Halloween, and my birthday is October 28th, so my birthday is that day. I'll be 21 officially, so I like this. I usually put everything, like I got a hair appointment on the 12th. I'm going to a Halloween party with my friend Garth, and just like different stuff in there just to remind me. I'm more of a paper on pen girl for planning, so typically that's what I try to stay for. Then I have photos, so you can go in there and see some photos. The camera, boo, that's why it's there, because it reminds me of like Snapchat. You can like take pictures and stuff. Just a clock. I have all these alarms. My sister, I take them to school and she usually sleeps with me, so that's on there. Just navigation, usual. I really like how I have this, so like I technically don't even have to go into the app for the weather. It's literally just there and can just see what the weather's like. I did the bigger one because it tells you like what the weather is supposed to be like throughout the day, so that's pretty nice. I like just being able to look at that and just like open up my phone, get to look at that. Okay, cool. Even though I usually do ask my Alexa, she's like right there, so I'm not gonna say her name too loud, what the weather is like when I'm getting ready in the morning, because my closet's in my bathroom, so it's like I usually don't have my phone on me. I have my notes, reminders. I actually do use this for school, even though I haven't used it in a minute, as you can tell, because I usually just write everything I am doing for the week for school on paper and cross it off as I go. I have music, which honestly, this is Apple Music. I use it a lot because I got that student discount for $4.99, so I really like it. Different songs, you can get all the songs. You can even, what I like about this is like, I love Shawn Mendes, so I'll use him as an example. It's like before the CD even comes out, you can tell if like there's a CD, and once it does come out, it will automatically already download onto my phone. And then I have playlists, so those are not the ones I mean, but so we had Branson because we went to Branson in Missouri. I love country music, so I have a country music playlist. Justin Bieber, love him. I was supposed to see him in July, but the concert got canceled, and so I get to see him June 16th of 2021, so that will be exciting. I saw Shawn Mendes last year in July, one of the greatest concerts ever. I'm so happy that he's coming out with another CD, so that I can hopefully he comes out with an album, so that way I can go to that. And I got the shower, because who doesn't like to belt out in the shower? I love singing in the shower. And T Swift, because I like my girl T Swift. And my workout one of the workout ones, as you can tell, has Shawn Mendes on it, because I think majority of that workout is Shawn Mendes. And then the workout is just like different songs. Like Yeah song is a good workout song, just different ones to get me moving, pumping when I go to the gym with my mom. And then we'll go over here. I like this little, it's just a widget smith that I created, and it's just all my pictures. I just put a whole bunch of pictures that I liked into my favorites, and then so it just plays it throughout the day. Just the usual iTunes Store, podcasts. I do listen to podcasts, not as much as I used to, just for the fact that I'm not driving anymore, so that's usually when I used to listen to podcasts. It was on my way to work, and since I've been working from home, I don't listen to the podcast as much as I would like to. And then this just tracks like everything. Workout, sleep. I haven't done my sleep since January 1st. So yeah, it just like checks out. I haven't really done a lot today. That was yesterday though. So I mean, it's pretty good. Since stand hours, since I do work from home, I'm sitting down majority of the day. So my stand hours are kind of low. Mail, which has all of my accounts on there, personal, school, all of them. Just the settings, Safari, Runway, which I had actually just ordered some stuff. It'll be here next Friday, I believe. So that's cool. Maybe I'll do a video about that. It's first time ordering from there. And I got some other different, like, Pretty Little Liars and Fashion Nova. I haven't ordered anything off there, but got them just so I can browse, because who doesn't like to browse for clothes? And then come over here and I have this little Widget Smith, which is a picture I found off of Pinterest. As you can tell, I did not change the icons to these, because let's be honest, I'm lazy and I didn't feel like changing all these icons. So yeah, I still have this there, even though we have like the app library. I just personally like this layout a little bit better, just because I know where everything is and I don't have to go looking for it. So it says, "Hey there, pumpkin." And one second, Alexa, volume 0. So yeah, so it just says, "Hey there, pumpkin." We have this ring system for our house, so you can see like the front door, the backyard, which my dogs are out right there right now. Let's see if we can see them. If it will load, it might not. Sometimes it takes forever. So yeah, so we can't see them. So he must have came back inside or somewhere, so you can see the backyard. Oh, you see right there. So I like this because like if I am like doing something and they're out there, I can kind of see like what they're doing. And then the front yard, which helps with just being able to see their car. You see my car parked out right there. Really do like that. I recommend it. There's Facebook, Messenger. I don't really use Messenger. My mom sends me stuff on Messenger. It's like the main person I talk to on there, and we text too, so it's kind of weird. Snapchat, I do use Snapchat quite a bit. I really like Snapchat. I prefer Snapchat just because I feel like it's more person to person, because you can see their face. Instagram, which I'm actually working on my Instagram feed to make it more poppy. So I actually just got 18 new subscribers. I haven't checked that a little day to day, so that's exciting. Yeah, so my goal is to get to 3,000 subscribers here soon, so we'll see. Not subscribers, but followers. I've had my Instagram for quite a long time now, but I didn't really start posting on it until recently. And so yeah, so if you ever want to just see what's going on in my life, you can just go on Instagram. I do change up my feed quite a bit, as you can tell, just because I get bored. And then I keep you guys entertained. Like I went to Arkansas, that was so much fun. Me and my close friend went hiking. I went to Branson, took some little photo shoots there. Oh, and I tried the Charlie, so that's another video, if you want to go check that out, that I posted yesterday, actually. So yeah, Instagram, and got these dating apps. We got Tinder, Hinge, and Bumble. They haven't really worked out for me. The guys on there usually only want one thing, and I'm not really interested in that right now. So I'm just kind of focused on myself, but I do have them just because sometimes I do get bored and I just want to talk. Alright guys, so sadly, as I was editing, I realized this video was going to be too long. So what I'm going to have to do is go ahead and make a part 2. So in part 2, I will have the rest of the video. So if you guys have liked part 1 and want to find out what else is on my phone, make sure you guys go watch part 2. And make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below. And join the journey. I can't wait for you guys to come along this with me. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.